back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason you want to go ahead and install iPhone apps without your password. Now, this is really the only way to do this for the most part, unless you want to go ahead and sideload applications and stuff. That way it still requires a password of some sort, but this specific method is actually just by inputting. You will have to know the password, so you won't be able to just bypass this. But if you're getting this lock screen and for some reason you're downloading free apps and you're still having the issue, well, the main way to go ahead and fix this is by disabling a setting within your settings application. So what you want to do here is you want to go and click on settings like this. You then want to go ahead and pretty much make your way over to this top portion right up here. So you want to go and click on that top portion there. And what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and see this little option that says media and purchases. You want to go ahead and click on media and purchases right there. And you want to go and click on password settings. Now, as you can see right here, this is money. This is exactly where you want to be at. So right here, when it says when purchasing, it says always require password and require after 15 minutes. You can pretty much disable or enable, require after 15 minutes, and it's going to give you this password. So you want to go ahead and sign in. Now, this specific option right here, where it says require password, you want this to be disabled. So if you're, putting in a password for your iPhone every single time you have to download an application, even for free apps, well, you want to go ahead and disable this option. And now anytime you download a free application, you will basically be able to go ahead and download it completely for free without having to type in your password. Now, these apps can still contain in-app purchases, so keep that in mind. But for this specific case, you want to go and disable this toggle, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, if you want to go and keep it enabled, just tick that on, and I think you still have to type in the passcode, yeah, but that's pretty much all you have to do then. Now, for some reason you do that and that's not working, as always, the best thing to do is update your iPhone. So you want to make your way back into your general settings up here. You want to click on software update, you want to update your iPhone, and you pretty much will be good to go at that point. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit the subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.